Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 3, 4 p.m. in the evening. Today morning, I already visited Cemetery Beach and the Marine Protected Area. Right now, I love to see the sunset. Today is my last day, so I don't want to miss it. From the Cemetery Beach, the Malapascua port area, only 5 minutes walking distance. Along the way, you can see lot of resorts and hotels, which is beautiful. On the way back, you can see multiple souvenir shop. There you can see local talent. The bracelets are very cheap, at the same time very beautiful. The local kids having fun over there. And right now, very low tide, you can see the sea water very far away from the beach. Current situation, waiting for sunset. Now only 4 o'clock. So still 1.5 hours more there. I buy some shakes. This is the best place for shakes, they are saying. Order some french fries. So 70 peso per shake, mango shake. Good. This is very good. They recommend this is the best place for shake. This shop just in front of the port. Come from the port, you have the first shop, there's a shake. There's a first shop, you have shake and burger, sandwich, siomai, everything available over here. So you come and get it. They have a nice small beach table, everything available. So since it is my last day in Malapascua, I don't want to miss the sunset at the same time the sunrise in the morning. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon.